Hello my CIS scholars, how are you all? So children, now we are going to celebrate Diwali. Yes, are you all ready to celebrate Diwali? Yes, even I am also very excited to celebrate Diwali festival. But children, we have to take utmost care while celebrating Diwali. Okay, you can enjoy this festival, but you have to take care. Okay, wash your hands properly, use sanitizers, maintaining social distancing. All these care you have to take. Understood, children? Now come to the academics part. Now children, we have completed the textbook part and workbook part of chapter number 9, that is patterns. Okay, now children, today in this video we will just revise chapter number 9, patterns. Okay, in this video we will see few sums. Okay, I will be explaining you few sums which are included in this pattern. So this video is about the revision of patterns chapter. Okay, so let's start with the revision of chapter number 9, patterns. Okay children? So children, let's start with the revision part of chapter number 9, patterns. So here the first topic was core pattern. Now what was the core pattern children? Any structure or any type of pattern that gets repeated is called the core of a pattern. So can you see here children? I have made the triangles, and near the triangles there are small dark black color circles. So children, can you see the position of this circle? In first triangle it is on left hand side, then in second triangle it is on right hand side, and then in the third triangle it is at down. Again in fourth triangle it is on left hand side, then right hand side, then at down. So here the pattern is repeating, and from where the pattern started repeating, it is called as the core of a pattern. So this is the core of a pattern. Okay children? Then next is growing and shrinking patterns. Now children, we will see first what is growing pattern. Now here a growing pattern is a pattern in which the number increases and the amount added changes each time in a particular manner. So children, can you see here how the pattern gets increases? Pattern gets increases, that means the numbers get increases. Okay, so here can you see there were two boxes, then in next group there are four boxes, and then there are six boxes. So this every time the number of boxes are increasing, that means this is called as growing pattern. Understood children? Then the next is shrinking pattern. Now in shrinking pattern, it is just the opposite of growing pattern. In shrinking pattern, the number get decreases. Okay, so here a shrinking pattern is a pattern in which the number decrease and the amount subtracted changes each time in a particular manner. So here it is just opposite of that. So can you see here how many boxes are there? There are 7 boxes in first group, then in second group there are 5 boxes, and then in third group there are 3 boxes, and at last 1 box. So children, can you see here how the pattern is decreasing? Okay, that is called as shrinking pattern. Then next was the pattern rule. Now children, pattern rule is generally related to the numbers. Okay, you have to find the pattern between the numbers and you have to write the numbers and the pattern rule you have to write. So children, if the number is in increasing order, so that will be in plus. Pattern rule will be, you have to write the pattern rule in plus form. And when there is the decreasing number, when the numbers are decreasing, then you will write the pattern rule in the minus form. That means you have to put a negative sign over there. So see here example A, 4, 8, 12. Then what will come children? It is 4, 8, 12. So I have skipped the numbers here, or you can say that this is the table of 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Then which number will come children? 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20 and 4 sixes are 24. So children, here how many numbers are missing there? Yes, 4 number. After 4, leaving 4 number we get 8. That means the fourth number is 8. Then after 8, when we miss 3 numbers, the fourth number will be 12. Like this it goes on. So what is the pattern rule children here? It will be 4. Now as this number is in increasing order, you will write plus sign over there. So pattern rule is plus 4. Understood children? Then example 5, 35. Example number B, it is 35, then 30, then 25, then 20. Okay, why we are writing 20 children here? Because can you see in between the numbers how many numbers are skipped over there? Yes, it is 5 numbers are missing. 5 numbers means 4 numbers are missing and fifth you have to write. And this is backward counting. Okay, the numbers are written in decreasing order. So 35, then 30. That means 5 numbers are missing over here. Then after 30, 25. So again 4 numbers missing and we have to write fifth number. Okay, then that means there is a gap of 5 numbers. Okay, here then after 25 what will come? 20. Then after 20 again there is a gap of 5 numbers and we will write 15. And then after a gap we will write 10. So pattern rule is minus 5. So why it is minus 5 children? Because the numbers are written in decreasing order. Yes, that's why we are putting here negative sign. Okay children, then next topic was tiling. Okay, so children, here what is tiling actually? Tiling is any pattern made of repeating shapes that covers a surface completely without overlaps or gaps. Okay, so here can you see when we are using square, or you can also use rectangle. So when we use squares or rectangle, we are getting a surface, okay, that is completely covered, okay, without any overlaps or gaps. We cannot see any gaps in between these shapes. That is called as tiling. Okay, then when we are using a circular or any other shape, okay, on the other hand, when we are using any other shape, that means circular or oval shape tile, then you can see there is the gap between each tile. Okay, so this type of tiling which leaves gaps, it is not possible. Okay, we can use this pattern but there will be a gap. Since they have gaps, circular tiles leaves gaps and they also make the wall wear. So children, whenever there are the gaps, the tiling will be not proper. Okay, the surface will not be uniform and it will not be smooth surface. So this type of tiling using circular shapes is generally not advisable. Understood children? Not used. Okay, so this squares and rectangular tiling surface shape is generally used for tiling. Understood children? So whenever you are doing tiling, we are generally using square shape or rectangular shape tiles to make it uniform surface. Understood children? So this was about tiling. So children, this was all about the revision part of chapter number 9, patterns. Okay, in this revision video I have explained all the topics which are there in the textbook in this chapter. Okay, so children, we will meet again. Till then, take care. Goodbye children.